Hello, grade 5. This is Miss Susan. Today's episode is about graph and analyze relationships. Lesson 9-7. Let's first know what is the learning objective of this lesson. We will learn together how to graph the relationship between two numerical patterns on a coordinate grid. And what are the numerical patterns? I said before that numerical stands for the word numbers, and patterns is a group of numbers put in a specific sequence. Okay, so let's start. Here is an example, and we will learn together how to find the coordinate, the ordered pair, and how to graph it in the coordinate grid. So let's read together. Sasha is making hot cocoa for a party. For each mug of cocoa, he used 3 tablespoons of cocoa mixed and 6 fluid ounces of hot water. If Sasha uses an entire 18 tablespoons containers of cocoa mixed, how many fluid ounces of water will he use? So what we will understand from this context, the first pattern here is the number of spoons of cocoa. So for every time he used 3 tablespoons of cocoa, he mixed it with 6 fluid ounces of hot water. So we skip counting here. The number of cocoa in each mug is adding by 3. Means skip counting by 3, and the number of hot water in each mug is 6, so we skip counting by 6. So now we will find the pattern for each the sequence of each pattern. So first we skip counting here by 3, so mug number 1 will be 3 spoons of cocoa, then 6, then add another 3 will be 9, then add another 3, it will be 12. Then we add every mug 6 ounces of hot water. So first mug will be 6, then we add another 6, it will be 12, add another 6 would be 18, add another 6 will be 24. So look here with me. What does he need to find? Let's read together and find what does he need to find. If Sasha uses an entire 18 tablespoon containers of cocoa mix, how many fluid ounces of water will he use? So he needs the number here. If he uses 18 cocoa spoons, how many spoons he will use of water, or how many ounces he will use of water? So in this case, I have to find the relation between the two patterns. So look with me. In most cases, it will be multiplying relation. So ask yourself, 3 times what will give you 6? 3 times 2 will give me 6. 6 times what will give you 12? It will be times 2. 9 times what will give me you 18? It's 2. So the rule here is to multiply by 2. So 18 times 2 will give you 36. Now find the ordered pair that will help you of the points that will help you to graph it. The first ordered pair here is 3 with 6, so it will be 3, 6. Then the second ordered pair is 6, 12, so it is 6 with 12. 9 with 18, so the ordered pair here is 9, 18. 12 with 24. And the rule again, what is the rule? Can you write that relates the amount of cocoa mixed of water? The relation between the cocoa mixed with water is to multiply by 2. Okay, and finally for 18 spoons of cocoa, you mix 36 fluid ounces of water. And let's start to graph the points here in the coordinate grid. The first point is 3, 6. So we start from the origin, we go to 3, then we go up until 6. The point should be here. Then the second point is 6, 12. So we start from the origin again, we go to the right 6, and then we go up until 12. 9, 18. We start from the origin, we go to 9, then we go up until 18. So the point will be here. Finally, 12, 24. Start from the origin, go till 12, then we go up until 24. So the fourth point will be here. And finally, we should drag a line to cross all the points together from the origin. Start from the origin. Now we finished graphing it after analyzing the relation between the two patterns. Let's see another example. We have another example here. Each $2 bag of copper wire contains 6 meters of wire. So here he gave me the relation of every 2 bags of copper wire contains 6 meters of wire. So please find the relation between the pattern here. It's multiplication relation. So 2 times what will give me 6? It's 3. So let's implement it here also and check. 4 times what will give you 12? 4 times 3 will give you 12. 6 times 3 is 18. And finally 8 times 3, it's 24. So multiply the number of dollars by 3. So the rule here is 3. And now let's see the points. The first ordered pair here is 2, 6. Let's graph it. 2, we start from the origin, we go to 2, then we go up till 6, and here's the first point. The second point is 4, 12. We start from the origin, we go to 4, then we go up till 12. Then the third point is 6 with 18. So we start from the origin until 6, then we go up until 18. And here is the third point. 8 with the number that I found is 24. So 8 with 24. Here's 8. Then we go up until 24. So again, don't forget, we start from the origin, we go to the right, then we go up. Okay? Then we drag a line from the origin until the last point. And then we finished now graphing and analyzing and finding the missing number in the table. I think it's very easy. Let's see another final two examples here. For 2 square feet of lawn, Charlie needs 8 ounces of fertilizers. And fertilizer is a substance that we use to fertile plants and help it to grow. Okay, so for every 2 square feet we use 8 ounces. So here is the relation between the two patterns. Let's see what I multiply by 2 to give me 8. We multiply by 4. So let's check here. 4 times 4, is it 16? Yes. 6 times 4, is it 24? Yes. 8 times 4, is it 32? Yes. And finally 10 times 4 is equal the missing number, which is 40. So multiply the number of square feet by 4. So we proved that the rule of multiplying by 4 is right. Now let's graph all the points here from the table. First point is 2 with 8. So start from the origin, we go to 2, then we go up until 8. And here we are. Then 4 with 16. So we start from the origin, we go to the right 4, then we go up until 16. And here we are again. 6 with 24. We start from the origin, go to 6, then we go up until 24. And here we are. 8 with 32, sorry. So we start from the origin, we go to the right, 8, and up until 32. The fourth point, and finally the fifth point is 10, 40. Start from origin, go to the right until 10, then we go up until 40. And that's the final point. And don't forget to drag a line from the origin until the last point and check that it will go through all the points all together. On Mary's map, every 2 inches represents 10 miles. So let's find the relation between 2 and 10. 2 multiplied by what will give me 10. So it is 5. Let's check. It's the right rule then. 4 times 5, is it 20? Yes. Then multiply 6 times 5, 30. Multiply 8 times 5, it's 40. So it's right in all these previous numbers. So let's find the missing number by multiplying 10 by 5. It will give me 50. So the rule is multiplying by 5. And we have now all the points to graph it in the coordinate plan or the coordinate grid. So the first number here is 2 with 10. So we start from the origin, go to the right 2, then we go up until 10. The second number or point is 4 with 20. We start from the origin until 4, then we go up till 20. 6 with 30. We start from the origin, go to 6, then we go up until 30. 8 with 40. We start from the origin, go to 8 to the right, then we go up until 40, and finally 10 with 50. We start from the origin, we go to 10 till 10, then we go up until 50, and don't forget to draw a line starting from the origin and go across all the points until the last point and check that you can write it properly. So, and that's it. I hope that you found this lesson very easy. Please do your homework and let me check it. See you later and bye bye.